Are you sick of spending hours analyzing charts only to have your dream trade never materialize? Do you find yourself making rash decisions and losing your hard-earned cash in an instant? What if you could turn your trading experience around with a simple solution? Picture yourself making quick, profitable trades using just 2 easy free indicators on TradingView. Alright, let's dive into the pivot trend line with breaks indicator. This awesome script calculates pivot points and uses simple trend lines to show you when to buy or sell based on trend line breakouts. Adding this handy buy-sell indicator to TradingView is a breeze. Just head over to the indicators section, search for pivot trend lines with breaks. And click on it in the results to add it to your chart. But before we dive into optimizing the pivot trendline indicator settings, let's take a moment to say that every trader not using AI signals is leaving profits on the table. Traders in their VIP community are making daily gains, and now it's your turn. With their advanced AI algorithm ranked number 1 in the market, you're set to join the top 5% of consistently profitable trades. Their AI tools predict market moves before they happen. Their AI is cumulating, scanning, and adapting in real time. No more guessing, no more frustration, just smart trading, backed by data-driven signals that adapt in real time. All the results are publicly available on their website. Thousands of traders just like you are seeing incredible results. And now for a limited time, you can try it for 7 days completely risk-free. Yes, 7 days risk-free. If you're not seeing the profits, you get a full refund plus $50 guaranteed. That's how confident they are in their AI. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Spots in their VIP community are limited, and once they're filled, they're gone. Join the elite traders who are flipping the script and winning big. Click the link below or head to the ai-signals.com to secure your spot now. Don't miss out on your chance to elevate your trading game. The future of trading is here. So, will you be a part of it? Alright, now let's get back to the strategy. Let's optimize those settings for the pivot trendline with breaks indicator. First, we'll head to the input section and adjust the pivot length option to 9. Next, let's leave the pivot type as is the default. Normal setting works just fine. Now, to prevent trend lines from repainting on the chart, we need to disable the repainting option. Additionally, go ahead and disable the target level feature. As for the rest of the options, they can stay at their default value. You'll now notice that the pivot trend line with breaks indicator automatically draws trend lines on your chart. When the price breaks above a trend line, it shows a green break signal indicating a potential buy signal. On the other hand, when the price breaks below a trend line, it displays a red break signal for a potential sell signal. However, we don't trade solely based on this indicator because it might give counter trend signals, like in this example. As I always say, we should filter out those counter trend signals. So, to help with that, I found another fantastic free tool on TradingView called Color Moving Averages. Moving averages are super popular in technical analysis, and this indicator makes it easy to spot trends by coloring the MA based on its direction. To add it to your chart, go to the indicator section, search for Color Moving Averages. And click on it in the results. Once it's added to your chart, you'll have an extra layer of analysis. But to better identify long-term trends, we need to modify the settings of the Color Moving Average or CMA indicator. So let's change the length option to a larger number, such as 200, which helps smooth out short-term fluctuations and highlights the overall trend. While we're at it, you can customize the appearance of the indicator in the Style tab. Personally, I like to use the circle style. It makes the indicator stand out and easier to read. With these adjustments, the CMA will give you a better clear picture of the market's long-term trend. So now let's dive into the strategy's core components, which are designed to help you identify optimal entry points while managing risk effectively. For a buy trade, first, we'll assess the market's overall trend by analyzing the colored moving average or CMA indicator. A green CMA with price candles above it signifies a bullish trend. This is our initial confirmation to proceed with a buy trade. Next, we'll search for a trend line position above the candlesticks, sloping in the direction of the uptrend. This is our second signal, reinforcing the likelihood of a successful buy trade. The final piece of the puzzle is waiting for the price to break through the trend line, accompanied by a green break signal. This is the critical moment to execute a buy trade, as it indicates that the bullish momentum has overcome resistance. Protect our capital will establish a stop loss order just beneath the market's most recent swing low. The safety net minimizes potential losses if the trend doesn't go as anticipated. Our profit target will be set at 1.5 times the size of the stop loss, creating a favorable risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This means that we're risking 1 unit to potentially gain 1.5 units, optimizing the balance between risk and potential return. And to effectively execute sell trades with this strategy, we'll focus on identifying downtrend price movements while keeping risk management in mind. First, we'll confirm a downtrend by checking the color moving average or CMA indicator. If the CMA is red and the price candles are below it, we'll have the go-ahead for a sell trade. Next, we'll look for a trend line positioned below the candlesticks, pointing in the direction of the downtrend. The second signal strengthens the possibility of a profitable sell trade. The crucial moment occurs when the price breaks through the trend line, accompanied by a red break signal. This indicates that the bearish momentum has overpowered support, giving us an ideal opportunity to enter a sell trade. And to protect our investment, we'll set a stop loss just above the market's most recent swing high. This precaution will help minimize potential losses in case the trade doesn't unfold as anticipated. Our profit target will be 1.5 times the size of the stop loss, creating a favorable risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And for more tips on conquering the markets, watch the recommended video on your screen. It's packed with valuable insights to help you boost profitability in any market or time frame.